is just a random vlog because I am very bored. I just gotten back from school and I'm very tired, but I need to finish my work for a CSE coming up. Deadline is tomorrow, but I can't finish it tomorrow because it's my mom's birthday and we're gonna celebrate outside. So I'm gonna try finishing it tonight. So yeah. I finished working. Now I'm opening IDB and I have cake. Hi, I just finished getting ready. We're gonna go to a mall to celebrate mom's birthday. Nagbibili jeans siya. Venom! Venom! What is Apmo doing here?
That's crazy.
Is it Apmo?
Yeah,
Apmo then?
Yeah, Apmo.
Shit, man. I want coffee. I'm hungry. I want coffee. We're at Fully Booked. Look what I found. It's a sewing machine. I'm gonna buy it. We're eating dinner.
Wala kang pera kanina, no? Wala po naman sa
Yan nga eh.
Baka yung lens. Yung nasa mo, diba?
Pinanasan ko.
yung cellphone mo.
Lighting kasi. Say hi. Ang sarap ng pagkain.